In last video, we have studied the introduction of rational number and also the properties of rational number. On the basis of that, I hope you have solved the question number 1 to 8, right? Because question number 1 to 6 is self practice and 7, 8 that I have taken, right? So what we have done in that we have done the equivalent fraction and all the negative rational number, positive rational number, also the numerator and denominator. Now in question number 9 we have to express this given 5/8, right, rational number with numerator 15. Means we have to make this numerator of this fraction, now it is 5, we have to make this 15. So by what number, whenever there is a simplified form of fraction, we have to multiply. So by what number we multiply to 5 to make 15, so the answer is what? Yes, 3. Yes, so 5 by 8 to the 5/8 we have to multiply by 3 and also to the denominator. So 5 3s are 15. Now see, numerator is 15 and what about the denominator? 8 3s are 24. So in this way we can solve the question number 9 first, right? Just we have to think about by what number we have to multiply to the numerator to make it 15, right? So I hope you will able to solve the second problem of this question number 9 too. Now in question number 10 we have to make the denominator 21 of a given fraction 4/7. So the same process we have to do that we have done in question number 9. What was that? We have to think about by which number we will multiply the denominator of given rational number to get 21. So I will write 4/7. By what number to this denominator we will multiply to get 21? So naturally we will multiply 7 by 3. So I will write here 3 and here is also 3. So already we got the denominator 21. Now 4 3s are 12. So they are very, very simple example, right? On the basis of this you can able to solve the 11, 12, 13 and 14 examples, right? Just there are negative signs, right? So we have, whenever there are negative signs and we want negative numerator or denominator, so we have to take the like that, right? That rule I have mentioned there. Now in this problem we have to make the numerator 48, but what 48? Minus 48. So we have to think about by which number we will multiply this minus 12 to get numerator minus 48. So student, you should know the sign convention in multiplication operation. When you want the product negative, you want only one number negative. So that 12 is already negative. So we have to take here positive number. That should be clear before thinking about the other number. So in the table of 12, on which place the 48 will come? Yes, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. So I will multiply numerator 4 by 4 and denominator also by 4. So 13 4s are 52. So likewise you will able to solve the question number 2 of this. Now I am taking question number 16 because 12, 13, 14 and 15 are of the same pattern. Only in 16 there is a problem, that is we have to express this denominator 147 as a 7. So it would be a little bit hard, not a tough. So how we can get the denominator 7? So we have to think about how we can get this denominator 7, how we can convert 147 into 7. Now we have to make the issue of this minus also. If the denominator is going to be positive, then we have to multiply by the negative number, means whatever number will come here, either we will multiply or divide, right? So we have to take it minus, right? So here again I am writing 84 by minus 147. So here one thing is clear, we have to take the number negative, right? Because 7 is positive. So in that we have to think about, because now we have to think how we can, either we choose the multiplication or division. So whenever the greater number is going to be smaller, in that case we have to divide, right? So the operation is also confirmed, division. Now we have to think about by which number we will divide. That number should be negative. So for that, student, you should know the tables, right? Every table in every table at which place which number will come, that you have to make it confirm. So that number is coming in the table of yes 21, right? So 21 sevens are, because 7 ones are 7, right? So 21 sevens are 147. And what about this? 4 ones are 4, so it is 21 fours are. So in this way we can convert the denominator 147 to 7, right? Positive 7 by dividing it by minus 21. So I hope you will do this question number 2 of question number 16, right? Second problem of 16 homework.